That ain't no king, that's a queen. That ain't not a queen.
Boy, I'm the king. Have a good day. I was just sitting there.
Hey, it'll just be a secret between you and me, and nobody else will have to know. We're quacking up. Click. See you later, Chump Mobile. You have a good one out there, man. Have a good rest of the Tuesday. Chump Mobile. Hobby Day back in the mud. Click.
Good morning to you, Stormy. What are you? Oh, yeah, I bet love.
Hey, don't forget to tell them, too, it's just from 25 feet in the air. We're back in the mud. 10-7. Click.
Yeah, hey, scrap iron 766 right back.
Isn't that a right, Drill Sergeant? Good morning, good afternoon to you, Drill Sergeant. I just want to say hello to you, man. I was trying to smoke at stormy weather.
Hey, Mr. Godfather, see if we can get up in there and get that afternoon wave going. Almost there anyway. Mr. Godfather. Cracking up. Click.
Norcal, reading the mail.
We'll catch you later, bud. Drill Sergeant, you know how it is, man. You got keyed up and said you ain't everybody.
Well, we tried to get up in your receive. Hey, Mr. Godfather, we'll do it another time when that magic copper ride allows, no doubt about it. Mr. Godfather. Hobby Day is just Norcal Mud Duck. We're going to go 10 steps. Click, click. We go.
The big boss in California got down. Bye, bye, bye.
And you know who it is. See you later, Godfather. Mr. Godfather. This duck is in the mud. Click.
One bread, Oklahoma, your buzz in our bank.
Hey, chump change. Hey, chump change. Don't let them know. Don't let them know. We're back in the mud. Click, click.
Somebody, Hobby Dave. Hey, Hobby Dave, 445 Magnolia waving.
Last of it, no doubt about it. You came right up on top.
Hey, 445, I heard you out there. I heard Chump Change coming back to me there and just acknowledging my station, Chump Change. I appreciate that. Hey, 445, you jumped right up in my receive. I'm just giving you that Tuesday wave. 445, we're back in the mud. Click, click.
All right, Hobby Dave. We just got this Ghost Rider warmed up out here in Mississippi. Hey, Hobby Dave, 445, just got this Ghost Rider warmed up. What's up? What's going on around Cali?
Oh, same old, same old. You know how it is from one Ghost Rider to another, no doubt. Hey, 445, I'm going to back on out here just a little bit. I let the rest of these folks have some time on the radio. 445, you have a good one. A Ghost Rider to a Ghost Rider, we're back in the mud. Click, click.
All right there, hey, Hobby Dave, one Ghost Rider to another. Hey, you got my needle in the corner. I wouldn't go nowhere out there. Hey, Hobby Dave, you got my needle in the corner in Mississippi, 445. Got the gate rolling.
Well, I sure enough appreciate that, 445. All I can say is Mother Nature sure is real kind to us this afternoon. No doubt about it. Got to give it up for her. And then it's just about the radio. And I appreciate those kudos, 445. They're right back on your plate. This Norcal Mud Duck is back in the mud. Click, click.
All right there, Hobby Dave. Well, go do what you got to do, man. I just got in the shack. Back here in Mississippi. Hey, Hobby Dave, I'm going to read the mail of the Scotia vet, see what's going on in the world of sound. Hey, Hobby Dave, have a good one out there, Tempo.
10-4, my friend. You have a good one, too, 445. Sounded good in my hood, no doubt about it. We'll do it again. You know it'll happen. Old Mother Nature does that. She's been coming out to play quite often, and we love it. All right, my friend, this Norcal mud duck's going 10-7. I'll let a couple of these rascals out here have some fun. And this Norcal mud duck's in the mud, cracking up. We go. Good morning.
All right, there, Hobby Dave. They take care out there. I'm going to sit back here and Scotia a bit, read the mail, see what's going on out there in Cali today. Hey, Hobby Dave, have a good one out there, 445. Bye-bye-bye.
Ah, D-Real, man, while you were talking on that ground plane, you know it's rough.
Well, if I had a better set of ears, I mean, you got me 40 over. I just couldn't make out the handle, but you know who you are. This Norcal mud duck right back in your receipt. Click, click, click.
Brown oil, get in our bank.
Chaos, chaos.
Hello out there, Buzzard. Hey, Buzzard, out there around, Washington, Oregon, I forgot where you at. Hey, Buzzard, 445 radio man waving at you, buddy.
Hey, Thundercat, who is that mud duck you calling that brain? Hey, Thundercat, who is that?
Adios. And don't you know? Hey, this cotton pitcher's getting in the mud for sure. We're going to go 10-7, man. We appreciate all the kudos from all you fine folks out there. Hobby Dave, this Norcal mud duck is going 10-7. Click, click.
I'll see ya.
Well, Hobby Dave, I think I keyed too fast, but I'm glad you're leaving, Hobby Dave, because you're plugging my ears. Hey, Hobby Dave, 445, I'm glad you're leaving because you're plugging my ears in Mississippi. Bye-bye-bye.
Hey, 445, if I was gating, you'd love it. How do I know when to key up? Because I know when you're done talking. That's how I know. 445. Okay, now, hey, we are 10-7. We're listening in with a smile on our face. Click, click, we go.
All right, Hobby Dave, bye-bye-bye. One more time. Click, click.
Boys in his ears, so I better get my tummy knees in the breeze. Show better. Look at me go. As I bank left, you'll buzz. And I bank left now. Good day.
I think I heard my friend 27 Ratchet out there earlier. I think I heard my friend 27 Ratchet out there when Hobby Dave wasn't on the key. Hey, 27 Ratchet, 445 waving.
No name, man. It's probably one of the mud ducks we know. Hey, Thundercat, I'm in the bush. Good to hear you bumping it down, and I'm waving right back, man, while we're out here playing around with this old transmitter. Hey, 445, good to hear you bumping it down. 27, we're going to itty-bitty glass, and I'm cruising.
All right, there, 27, while you were working that itty-bitty glass out there. You sounding good out there today? I just had to bump it down and let you know I heard you out here in Mississippi. I know you talking to D-Rail. Hey, 27, 445, have a good day.
I'm reading the mail.
Go talking, David.
Hey, 445, I do appreciate it, man. Good to hear you bumping it down. Hey, 445, where's that Mother Nature on the biggest
stuff that I bank left.
they got out here? 445, me and this transmitter and this glass around Sacktown getting down.
All right, there, 27 Ratchet, have a good day out there, man. I got the gate rolling. Hey, my friend, 27 Ratchet, 445, have a good day. Bye-bye-bye. Click, click.
Put all this stuff in line, so I'm curious to see how the audio's going. 445, 27, this all glass station, this 20-foot clock. Why, some say, have a good day, Bug Naked Mobile.
All right, 27, 766 coming in there, covering you up out there now. Hey, looks like 766 getting some Mother Nature out there in Mississippi, or he turned his beam, 445. Reading the mail.
Yeah, that sounds probably about right.
Hey, Iron Horse, man, what are you doing coming out of the Great Lakes like that, man? I was looking down there around Mississippi. Hey, 707, I can hear you on the side of my beam. I'm looking down in Georgia, but I'm going to stand by my club members out there. Hey, 707, my club members out there.